I'm waiting at the shore with my arms wide open. Wind blowing in my hair, let the sea salt soak in. Coming on me full force, do this with my eyes closed, yeah. Just like that, do it like that. Cause when I catch that slow motion in your backseat, baby, I'm down for whatever it takes me. I ride it like a wave. I ride it like a wave. I ride it, I'm down for whatever it takes me. I ride it like a wave. I ride it like a wave. I'm waiting at the shore with my arms wide open. Wind blowing in my hair, let the sea salt soak in. Coming on me full force, do this with my eyes closed, yeah. Just like that, do it like that. Cause when I catch that, we're rolling on your Chevy. I'm down for whatever it takes me. I ride it like a wave. I ride it like a wave. I ride it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've uploaded anything, so here we go. This is my next video for you, and it's going to be basically an edit of one of my favorite shoots that I did fairly recently when I got my new camera. So here we go. So this 0 through 17, these are all of my custom presets here that I've made. So we're going to be going ahead and using those. I've been thinking about selling them lately. I'm not really sure. I don't want to sell them if they're not going to be popular, so let me know down below if you would like them. And then I will think about selling them. So here we go. This is Lilly, and we are going to find out what preset I think will look best on these. And I actually think I'm going to test out a few different editing styles on all of these, so it probably won't all match and be continuous, but oh well, here we go. So we're gonna walk down here and look at all the different presets that I have. Oh, that's my dog making some noise over there. And once we find one, kind of like that one actually. What was that, 7? Once we find one, we'll stick it on there and tweak it a little bit. So to me, so far after looking at these, 7 or 13 right now are going to be my favorites. So 13, 7. They're pretty similar. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So something on her nose here. I think that's a hair that's coming across, so I'll fix that after. And looking at this, I don't actually think I want to change too much of it. Maybe I'll take out some of the vignetting, take out that lens correction, but not too much of it, because I like a little bit of vignetting and it keeps kind of the sky blue here. So here, let's go to this one. Let's see if 13 will match that as well. 13 looks like it matches. I still think I like 13 the best. 13 with maybe a little bit less vibrancy and saturation, maybe a little bit brighter here. And the highlights down, make it a little bit more sharp. That's good for me. Let's see. Got a couple of different ones of these. So we have this one, and this one. So I like this one because it's kind of centered a little bit more, but I don't like the string coming down here, so I'll probably edit that out later. This one I think has, I think it's thinking right now, it looks kind of like grainy right there. Oh, there we go. I like this one. Let me see what other. There's so many different ways to edit basically everything. I still think I like 13 on it the best. But I think this one is my favorite picture in general, so I'll delete this one. I'll keep this guy right here. I'll delete this one. I'm not really a fan of this one, maybe this one, so depending on what we get out of here. I actually like that one better. Let me see. This is too. So here, but then if you see like at the bottom here, it's kind of like a weird vibrant blue. So I'm actually going to take down the saturation of those blues here. Just a little bit of green there too, to make it look a little bit better. Takes away some of that. There we go. Going into the smoke bombs. This is one of my favorites right here. What do you guys think? I think I'm still gonna check it out with this one. Brighten this up a little bit. This one has a lot of vignetting, so that's probably one of them where I would take it out. Possibly completely. Go back just a little bit. There you go. So, not a fan of that one on this. So let's see what else we got. That's a little bit better. Not enough color for me personally. You just kind of keep going down until you find one that you like. I think I'll stick with this one. About there. Clarity, vibrance, and you have the exposure and the contrast, and a little bit less of that orange. This one I'm not sure about actually. Probably about there. This is one of my favorite pictures right here. I just had to make sure that the first time I edited this that I went in and really fixed that, sharpen those eyes. And I really liked the amount of orange that I had in this one. Same with this one. Brightness, contrast, clarity. Let's see. Almost done. I'll probably edit all of this little seaweed or whatever kelp on the ground because I think it's a little bit too prominent there. Maybe a different editing style we can use on this one. Kind kind of like this one in a weird way. I don't know. Let's keep that. I would say this is literally my editing process every time. I just click on stuff until I find one that I really think works. Like this one, maybe. Click on the highlights. The contrast a little bit. About there. Maybe, and then next I would go up on the top of this picture right here and maybe darken the sky a little bit. This one you can go back to like the original filter that I was using, which is this one here. I love this one. This was one of those shoots that was like really emotional to me, I guess. I don't know what was wrong with me this day or like what I was feeling, but I was just feeling super emotional, and this shoot was one of those that kind of like refreshes your soul and makes you feel a little bit better. So this shoot was like really special for me because everything that I wanted and was seeing, Lilly, the model, was able to really convey that into the pictures for what I wanted. But that's basically it. Kind of like this feel, and this one's a little bit more vintage. This is more along the lines of like my actual editing style. So this is my favorite picture, I think, of the whole day. I'm not sure if I really like the editing on this one. I might go back and like play around with it a little bit more. Or even possibly make like a custom filter for it. So I really like it, but there's just something, I wish we were facing the light a little bit more. Because I think it would have been a little bit more, we'll think a little bit of better composition. But, we'll leave it for now. Alright, well, I mean, that's really it for this. These are just my favorite pictures recently, that I've really enjoyed looking at and taking pictures of, so hopefully you enjoyed it too. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them down below. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
My peace through every storm, beyond the norm, clear picture. You are my clarity, like a clear picture.